Good morning to all. Now we are going to discuss a binary phase diagram with an example of eutectic system. First of all, what is eutectic phase diagram? A reaction upon cooling, a liquid phase transforms isothermally and reversibly into the phase is known as eutectic reaction. That eutectic means easily melted. When the solubility is limited and the melting points of the components are not vastly different, an eutectic phase diagram is formed. If we have two component system, that is binary system, where the two components has the melting point of almost the same, it may be nearly a difference of 100 degrees centigrade, then we can have a eutectic phase diagram. That means the melting point of the system is not vastly different. For example, you take the phase diagram. We have two different examples. One is complete liquid solubility with negligible solid solubility, that is cadmium bismuth system, and we have complete liquid solubility with partial solid solubility, that is both are completely soluble in liquid phase but negligible in case of solid state is cadmium bismuth system. If it is partial soluble, that it's a is known as lead tin system. Copper silver system, lead tin system, aluminum copper system are an example of eutectic phase diagram. See this is lead tin phase diagram where weight of tin is taken in x-axis and temperature is taken in y-axis. That is the position 0 is lead 100% and 100%, the position 100 is tin is 100%. One of the most important eutectic is tin lead system, that is which is used for especially for soldering cases. Another interesting example of indium gallium, which is liquid just above room temperature and allows for easy ohmic contact on semiconductor like silicon, is another example of eutectic phase diagram. The eutectic composition is melting completely at the lowest temperature. The melt will solidify directly without splitting up into two phases. As a consequence of eutectic composition, which does not have to be cooled down extremely slowly in order to get a reasonably homogeneous solid. Now we'll see an example of eutectic phase diagram, that is lead tin system. First, the melting point of lead is 327 degrees centigrade and tin is 232 degrees centigrade. See here, the melting point of lead and tin are almost closer to one another. So, the phase diagram is surely eutectic phase diagram. In the solid alpha phase, a very small amount of tin is dissolved in lead. The other solid phase is beta, in which very small quantity of lead is dissolved in tin. This is also vice versa, that is in both the components dissolve in each other sufficiently in alpha plus beta case. That is in alpha case, tin is solved in lead in a very small quantity. In beta case, lead is dissolved in tin with a very small quantity. In case of alpha plus beta phase, both are dissolved in a sufficient manner. Here we can see the phases, the two phase regions, that is alpha plus beta and alpha plus alpha, alpha plus L. They are same, alpha plus beta and L. Alpha plus beta and beta plus L are separated by a horizontal line, that is BDE. This line corresponds to a temperature T called eutectic temperature, and the composition at point D is called eutectic composition. That is alpha is tin solid phase, alpha is lead solid state, beta is tin solid state, where liquid is both are in liquid form. In eutectic composition, at this point, the liquid phase transforms to alpha plus beta phase during cooling and vice versa during heating. While cooling, liquid will become a solid phase. While heating, A solid phase will become a liquid phase. That is, liquid phase L will become alpha plus beta when it is cooling. Alpha plus beta will become liquid while heating. The composition of tin and lead at point B are invariant because degrees of freedom is 0. So we could not change temperature and pressure independently. The eutectic temperature and eutectic reaction are called invariant temperature and invariant reactions. Now we can see the phases, that is liquidus, solidus and solvus, which is available in eutectic phase diagrams. In case of liquidus, the phase boundary between liquid phase and the two phase region is called liquidus. The solid boundary limit line separating the liquid and liquidus plus alpha phase region is termed as liquidus line in this graph. In case of solidus, the phase boundary between solid phase and two phase region is called solidus. In this case, that is lead tin system, the solid and liquid plus alpha phase region is called solidus phase. What is solvus? The phase boundary between solid phase and other solid phase is known as solvus. In this case, the solid solubility limit line separating the solid and other solid phase regions is termed as solvus line. Now we'll see the different boundaries which are separating in this lead tin diagram. Liquidus 1 is boundary CD between L and alpha plus L. Liquidus 2 is boundary DF between L and beta plus L. We have two different solidus phase, solidus 1 and 2, where BC is alpha plus alpha L, where EF is beta plus beta and beta plus L. We have two other phases like solvus 1 and 2. In case of solvus 1, boundary AB between alpha and alpha plus beta, and EG between beta and alpha plus beta. Now we'll see the eutectic characteristics. The eutectic temperature is 183 degrees centigrade for lead tin system. The eutectic composition is 62% tin and 38% of lead. The eutectic reaction is liquid becomes alpha plus beta while heating. Alpha plus beta becomes liquid while cooling. The degrees of freedom is 0, so this is an invariant temperature and invariant reaction. What are the uses of eutectic system? Eutectic mixtures are used in preparing solders used for joining two metal pieces together. For example, lead tin solders are an example for eutectic diagram. They are used in safety fuses, which is used in buildings to protect them against fire hazards. In this we have seen the eutectic system. What is eutectic system? What are the examples of that? How we can construct the phase diagram and the uses of eutectic phase diagram. Thank you all.